Welcome everyone, this is Jackie Williams. In this video, I want to share with you some fun projects using my favorite newest release, the Cutest Crew. And this is such a cute one for people who love animals or love their own pets, whether it's your pet or theirs. It makes a very cute project. For this one, we're going to keep the layers simple. I've got my card front is a piece of basic white, and I've embossed that with the Lazy Daisy folder. And I'm actually going to use the other side, so the deboss side, just for something a little bit different. And then I have taken the party alphabet, these really large letters, and I'm going to spell out hello. And I've cut those out of the Beach Boardwalk papers. Now these ones are easy to overlook because they have, you know, an amusement park theme and palm trees, which may or may not appeal to you. But even if those don't, the side B is very soft and beautiful, and these are quite nice, even if you don't like the main images. Okay, so I've cut those out already. What I did is the mats that I'll put underneath the white pieces are basic gray. And so what I've done is I've just cut that same hello out of the middle of those mats, which we'll use the mats later. So I've got two sets of our word here. And what I'll do is layer them up slightly offset. Now, this idea is kind of an adaptation of one from Tammy Wilson. She had a great way of using these large letters even on a standard size card front. So I'm just going to take the letter and just offset it just a tiny bit so you can just see that little sliver of gray. This not only strengthens the letter, but also it helps differentiate the letters from each other. Gives them a little bit of a border. So when they're kind of stacked on top of each other, there's a delineation between the letters. Okay, now we'll go ahead and put these together. I'm just going to decide how I want them arranged before I stick them on. I think what I'll do is I'll put these letters in the back down flat, and then the ones that are in the front up on dimensionals. And these letters are just wide enough for the standard size dimensionals. Okay, now that our letters are on, I'm going to adhere that to my mat. There we go. And for this sample, I'm going to use the kittens. So I've stamped those in black, and then we're going to color those in with, I'm going to use Stampin' Blends, but you could use, of course, any medium that you like. I'm going to color those in, and then I'm going to use the coordinating die and cut those out. Now, I am actually going to cut the kittens into individuals, but using the die at least cuts out, you know, some of the sides already for you. So it just kind of speeds up the process. So when you color it, it might look something like this. Although when I colored it, I decided I was going to go for all gray with this project. So I've got my 5 little kittens here. Then my letters are the only color going on here. So then you just need to decide where these cuties are going to go. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And then you can put some of those up on dimensionals and some down flat as you wish. Kind of depends. Now, I haven't put this one down yet because I wanted to add this U in there. Let's see if we can get it to fit. This came from the Lovely Arrangements stamp set that has a love U in there. So I've just embossed the U. Let's see. I actually prefer it here, but I think the colors are too much same, so I'm going to put it here next to our kitten there, and I'll go ahead and put him down there like that. Just need to add our card base, and let's put dimensionals on the back of this. Cute. And then we just can add some gems. So I've got a few choices here. I think I like the sparkly ones. And there we go. There is our cute little project using the Cutest Crew paired with the Party Alphabet dies. Now I have a few more samples to share with you for your inspiration with this absolutely adorable bundle. We have this cute one using the new wood grain papers, and this time using those cute little puppies. And this is the similar design, this time using the kittens with Pool Party as the background. I have a nice clean and simple card using those cute little birds. Nice one for just a thinking of you or Easter. And then I had a lot of fun making this concertina fold card. So this one opens up quite a few times like this, for a nice card where lots of people can write. And then I have panels on the back as well. So I've got a free download for the measurements to make this card base. Have a look in the video description for that link. I also made a cute little scrapbooking page with the little kitten stamped across the bottom, and then used that paw print die there as some borders. And then these three projects, I've actually written up full step-by-step instructions with photos in my Cutest Crew class to go, and you get every single step with photographs and all the measurements and stuff. So if you'd like to recreate these ones, I have that file for you, and the link is in the video description. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone. I really appreciate you being here with me. Be sure and hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment. I'll see you on the next video. This is Jackie Williams. Bye-bye.